Hi everyone, my name is Ivyanarell Vectra and today I will be presenting about a comparative study titled Monitoring Urban Street Litter, Comparing Municipal Audit and Citizen Science. So, street litter is a huge environmental problem, and because most plastic in the ocean start on land, we need a good ways to find it and clean it up. So nowadays, cities place a lot of professional trash checks up, but it doesn't happen very often. Now, people can use phone app like LITTER to take photos of the trash and track it by themselves. So, what is the LITTER app? LITTER app is a citizen science tool where users can upload geotag photo of the street litter before throwing it away. User can add tag to identify the trash material and type, where it creates a global database. Because it is voluntary, the result data mostly reflect where users choose to walk rather than the actual citywide litter density. As you can see in the objective section, my presentation compares these two methods to see if the citizen science app can accurately match professional city audit in tracking what kind of trash is out there and also where it is being dropped in Vancouver, Canada from 2017 to 2019. If you look at the method section over here, these two approaches are very different. First, in the city audit, professionals went to the exact same 108 random street sites every September for 3 years, counting every big and small piece of trash in a set area. Second, the app users on the other side, 223 regular citizens, took photos of over 3,900 pieces of trash all year around using the app whenever they wanted without any set routes or rules. And the results section breaks down exactly what the data showed, following 3 steps of the poster. First, let's look at the composition trend between 2017 and 2019. Both methods captured a massive jump in plastic trash. The city audit saw it go from 34% to 46%, and the app users saw it go from 33% to 49%. At the same time, both methods recorded a drop in the paper trash, down to 33% for the city and 12% for the app. Second, let's look at the map in figure 1 to see the spatial pattern. So, the city audits found that the worst trash hotspots were on the big main roads, industrial areas, and right next to the public trash bins. But the app users logged most of their trash in a nice residential neighborhood and public parks, like the West End. So this happens because of coverage bias. So, the official city audits use random structure setup to make sure that they sampled the whole city fairly, whereas the app data itself was patchy because it just followed wherever the volunteer choose to walk. Third, if you look down at figure 2, we can see the breakdown of items. The top item found by both groups were nearly identical: cup lids, napkin, cigarette, plastic, and receipt. However, even though they found the same things, the method correlation showed that the actual mathematical agreement between where the city found trash and where the citizen found trash was surprisingly weak, at an R value of just 0.24. So the question is, why did this happen? So, in this discussion section, it explained that the app data show human habit rather than where the worst trash actually is. Volunteers naturally track trash on a quiet, comfortable street where they already walk or live rather than busy commercial highway. Also, the app doesn't show where the people look but found zero trash, and it doesn't track how much time they spend searching. So to fix this, it is recommended to update this app to track walking distance in the background, using games to reward users for exploring untracked neighborhood, and also to use smart computer algorithms to automatically check and also sort the photos. So in conclusion, both methods are very useful. Phones apps are fantastic for getting the community to involve and also seeing what kind of trash are increasing. However, professional city audits are still much better if it is need to know exactly where the worst hotspots are and to plan clean-up routes. So in the future, by combining both methods, it is the best way to keep the cities clean. So that's from me. Thank you.